Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So we're just taking a quick look at Chainlink here, and as we can see, pretty much exactly as we predicted before, we were looking for the target of the top of the range that we did talk about, and it looked like over the past few days we did actually make our way up to the top of the range there and test it as a resistance before having a bit of a rollover today because of Bitcoin dragging the market down yet again. But we can see basically what has happened on the hourly time frame, more specifically with more granular detail. You can see we've obviously made our low and our high to form our range. We come down to the low again, and then we get that slight overextension, don't we? But obviously far too overextended in this area. We get the pickup back up inside the range, run all the way back up to the target at the top of this smaller range that we did talk about as being our next target, which was basically formed all the way back here, wasn't it? And then obviously you can see we've got a little bit of a retracement followed by, a bit of a collapse to the downside over the past day or so, just because Bitcoin's been rolling over, so it's dragged Chainlink and the rest of the market down as well. But overall, as we've been saying for months and months now, Chainlink's still just in a range, going sideways in this larger range here, as we've been saying, from this low down here, all the way back up to the 023. Just going sideways, consolidating, waiting for that next move in the market, that big move potentially to the upside, or maybe a collapse to the downside if Bitcoin absolutely capitulates and is manipulated, in our opinion, to the downside, because there is a lot of seller exhaustion in the markets right now, isn't there? You can obviously see these huge bullish divergences on the daily time frame that we will not stop talking about because they are massively important in our opinion. And we do think if there is a push to the downside where, Bitcoin does try to drag the market down, we could easily see a decent reversal if we do get down below that $5 area. In our opinion, down around here in this area, $5 would be a really, really big price point that people would probably start buying Chainlink at. That would be a clean 10x back to the all-time high, wouldn't it? Just to get back to the all-time high, which is pretty insane. Down, fully 90%, probably a little bit more than 90% at that point. Right now, Chainlink, it's looking fine, just chopping sideways. Really not that much to say. Other than that, it is just consolidating still, isn't it? And despite, quite a bearish period that we've had, it's actually held up quite well, holding key levels of support, clearly showing that it has got some good support in this area down towards that $5 or $6 area here. Anywhere in this area has been a pretty good level of support for Chainlink over the past 7 or 8 months. So very simply, price predictions, I'd say realistically, we're probably going to be heading back down towards the bottom of this range again if Bitcoin does start heading down. Probably get a bounce in and around that $6 area, maybe a little bit higher up depending on what happens. But if we do head to the upside, then we will be looking at the top of the range again at $7.30. If we did get the breakout, then you could be looking at, an extension up to that 023, up above that $9 level. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.